Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. Thank you for coming to this presentation and honored to meet you here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tiffany Denidia and my team Mr. Sugianto. I am a postgraduate studying on management program Pamulang University. Right now, I want to present my journal with the title Overview of Food Management Sanitary Hygiene in the Nutrition Installation of Muhammadiyah Taman Puring Hospital South Jakarta. This will be submit to International Conference on Management and Science hosted by Pamulang University. I want to start my presentation. Contents of the presentation: 1. Introduction, 2. Methods, 3. Result and discussion. Abstract. Food management in hospital relies heavily on hygiene and sanitation so that the food does not become a source of disease transmission for human who consumes the food. The aims of this research is to determine the description of the condition of food sanitation hygiene in the nutrition installation at Muhammadiyah Hospital Taman Puring, South Jakarta. The variable in this research are the principle of food management with reference and comparing whether the results are in according with Minister of Health Regulation number 1096 men VR 6 2011 concerning food service sanitation hygiene. Introduction. Nutrition installation is a unit that manages nutrition service for inpatient, outpatient, and patient families. The role of the nutrition installation as an organizer in food processing in hospital must be optimal hygienically and sanitarily and in accordance with the quality of health standard service. Indication of patient illness and must comply with applicable regulation. Literature review. Find out about 1. Hospital nutrition installation. Nutrition service in hospital are one of the supporting components organized by nutrition installation, which aim to provide food for patients starting from cleaning to distributing food to patients. 2. Food contamination. Food contamination is the accident presence of dangerous substance or organism in food. Contamination food can cause symptoms of disease, blood infection, and poisoning. 3. Hygiene and sanitation. Food sanitation hygiene is an effort to control factors in food, people, place, and equipment that can or might cause disease or health problems. Methods. The types of research in descriptive research with a qualitative approach, using interview methods and observation methods. This research is an exploratory effort to describe a general description of food management sanitary hygiene in the nutrition installation of Muhammadiyah Taman Puring Hospital in May ages 2016. The results of this research will then be analyzed, then compared with the regulation of the Minister of Health, the Republic of Indonesia number 1096 men VR 6 2011 concerning food service sanitation hygiene. The instrument used in this qualitative research include the interview method and observation method with checklist sheets and photo document. Research and discussion. The design of this research is a qualitative with the conduct interview based on select characteristics such as head of nutrition room, nutritionist, chef, and waiters. Based on the result of the research that has been carried out, the other three to the description food management in the nutritional station of the Muhammadiyah Hospital Taman Puring in accordance with the points in Minister of Health Regulation number 1096 men VR 6 2011 regarding food service sanitation hygiene. The result which will be discussed are as follows. 1. Selection of food ingredients. Based on the result of interview and observation, it is known that the process of selection food ingredients is carried out directly by the chef in the kitchen. Food ingredients that are available every day are ordered and imported by supplier. This is already complained to Minister of Health Regulation because the material is carry out quality and quantity checks If there are materials that are damaged, defect, or not suitable, then they will not be used and returned to the supplier. 2. Food storage. Based on the result of interview and observation, it is known in the storage of food ingredients. There are points that are done comply with Minister of Health Regulation. Is the condition building very close to the shelling slash dancing? This is due to the condition building short and limited nutritional installation space. 3. Food processing process. Based on the result of interview and observation, it is known in the food processing, there are points that are in accordance and points that are not in accordance with existing regulations. Point that are appropriate include always washing food ingredient first with running water. However, points that are not appropriate include in temperature points that have not been applied in the processing of meat and chicken types of food which are susceptible to containing many pathogenic bacteria. This is the two limited tools for cookware and tableware. Based on the results of interview and observation, it is now in for cooking utensils and eating utensils is in accordance with existing regulation that the existing cooking utensils on average it is made of stainless steel so that the equipment is safe and not dangerous of to hold. Ready or cooked food storage. Based on the results of interview and observation, it is now storage point for ready made food in accordance with existing regulation. Ready or made food or cooked food stored in a separate container for raw food ingredients, and the container is closed because its rich container is binary, has a lid and is ventilated. This closed container will keep the food safe from insects such as fleas and other such a bacterial contamination. 6. Food transport. Based on the result of interview and observation, the process of transporting food is in accordance with regulation, namely using a closed trolley to avoid contamination during the process of transporting food. Food serving. Based on the result of interview and observation, the process of food serving is in accordance with regulation, namely separating and providing samples for each during processing. The serving container is close wrapping to prevent cross-contamination and to extend the serving period of the food. Personal hygiene requirement for food handle. Based on the result of interview and observation, the personal hygiene requirement process of food handle is in accordance with regulation, namely, employees have worn full PPE when working, always wash their hand with soap, have behaved by not smoking, maintain hand and nail hygiene, sanitation facilities and equipment. CC sanitation facilities and equipment are generally in according with regulation. Namely, the number for existing facilities is sufficient, such as sinks, rubbish bins, bathroom, equipment washing areas, and food washing facilities. There are separate washing areas for washing food ingredient, washing cooking utensils, and washing eating utensils. Physical condition of food processing place. The physical condition building is generally in accordance with existing regulation, namely the floor condition of the door and lighting. However, in this variable, there are still several points that are not in accordance with the regulation, including the ceiling, which looks uneven due to the large number of parapets attached. Conclusion, from the result of the research and discussion, it can be concluded that there are still several points from each variable in the food management process that are not in accordance with Minister of Health regulation, including transportation. For literally use is not equipment with a temperature in less than 600C, which has a risk of the growth of pathogenic bacteria, but overall it has met the points in the regulation. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.